Sometimes all you need is a delicious healthy side dish to make a simple dinner more exciting. And these colorful tiny fish capsicum bites are just perfect. Lightly fried, low fat, packed with flavors and so tender they almost melts in your mouth. Welcome to Home Plate Delights. Here I share healthy and delicious homemade recipes made with love and care for my family. Let's get started and make this beautiful colorful fish capsicum. Here I have taken 2 tilapia fish fillets, defrosted them and now it is at room temperature. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. To marinate them into a bowl, add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Add salt as per your taste and give it a good mix. Add the fish pieces. Squeeze in half a lemon. Mix them very well until the masala get nicely coated to the fish. Remember, do not add water. The fish itself releases enough moisture. Once the masala is nicely coated, add 1 egg white and mix it again. Make sure the egg white coats nicely with each pieces. Cover the lid and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, into a pan add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the fish pieces evenly on the pan. Drizzle some oil from the top and cook it well on both the sides. Flip it and cook it on the other side. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes. Because these fish pieces are so small and tender, they will cook very quickly. You can see how nicely it leaves the tawa. It is completely cooked. Let's transfer this into a plate. Now to make a colorful fish capsicum stir fry, into a same pan add 1 tablespoon of oil, sliced ginger and garlic, 1 small thinly sliced onion, sliced green and red capsicum. Saute them for a minute in a high flame. Sprinkle some salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. It adds an extraordinary flavor. Once the vegetables are nice and crunchy, add the shallow fried fish pieces. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add some chopped coriander leaves. In a very high flame, just saute it for a minute. And here you go, beautiful colorful fish capsicum is ready to enjoy as a side for your dinner. It goes perfectly well with flavored rice. I paired it with peas pulao. Here I have a recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.